Woke up in the morning and the sunlight shine. Got a smile on my face and I feel so fine. Said I wanna do my thing for a long damn while. I don't wanna stress you out because it's not my style.